going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world really works. And then also, much love to those who purchased the 3 Kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. And then also those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events, and that is very important. And plus, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And yes, guys, this is a big day. It is probably going to be the biggest day of the year because we're going to see what the Fed says. Yes, because whatever the Fed says, it's going to swing the market. But we know for a fact, 2022, we're headed down, guys. This is the last supper. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Why? Because we know the New World Order has to build this 4th industrial revolution. They have to build the robots, algorithms, and drones that will replace the humanity inside the workforce while you go inside of the metaverse. But guys, do we ever go just straight down? No. We're going to have these pumps and dumps until they pull that rug. That's the reason why we're waiting on that great event. We know the first quarter we always take a dump, but there's always a distraction. And then we also know we're going to wait for an even bigger event, whether it happens the first quarter, whether it happens in September, but it's going to happen this year where it's going to force people back inside the home. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. But we know they have to do something great in order to bring up China, the rise of the dragon. But guys, if you are a trader, there's still plenty of money to be made. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research, but you also want to hodl. You're also going to have those stocks and cryptos that you're actually going to hold. But yes, we're going to take a big dump. So I can't tell you when to buy, but we know the New World Order stocks and cryptos are going to rise. Now we have Kraken CEO reverses that 100,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2021. And you guys already know I told you it wasn't going to happen unless we had some type of big event because we know the Fed has to pull back. We know the Fed pumped cryptos and stocks. Now it's time to pull back. But guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And then plus, guys, we know the Fed repo is manipulating the yield rates. And then also, guys, we're going to have the meeting today. And, of course, I'm going to bring that to you later on. Definitely going to bring a video on Jerome Powell this afternoon. And then also, guys, we have Grayscale, which has been selling. We know we have back coming. But make sure you keep an eye on that Grayscale whale. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have Binance partners with Indonesian telco to develop a new crypto exchange. And we definitely see Binance taking all the news after the situation with BitMEX. Do not forget that, guys. You always got to make sure you can go back and put the pieces together. Now we have Block, formerly Square, will allow users to gift BTC for the holidays using their Cash App. This is more pushing of adoption. And we have Coinbase Wallet rolls out support for NFTs. And guys, we know everything is going to be tokenized, nothing but tokenized goods. Now we have Valkyrie launches ETF to track Bitcoin balance sheet stocks. And guys, we see all these products that they are pushing around Bitcoin, not getting Bitcoin, but the exposure towards the actual asset. Now we have NFT marketplace Rarible launches integration with Tezos. Now we have Ramp, a payment provider that allows you to buy crypto directly in the app or wallet, raises $53 million. And guys, we're seeing billions and billions of dollars being thrown at crypto. Now we have Solana Ventures announces a new $150 million fund for blockchain gaming. And guys, we already know how big gaming is going to be. It's going to move the millennials and Generation Z inside of that metaverse, and they'll never know the difference. Now we have Cove Markets to join Robinhood Crypto in latest acquisition. And Cove allows you to trade across multiple centralized exchanges. The key word is centralized, but we know interoperability is very important. Now we have KKR leads $350 million raised for crypto custody bank Anchorage Digital in a Series D funding round. And again, guys, we're seeing billions of dollars being thrown at crypto. Now we have the Swiss bank Sabre launches regulated gold token to enable digital ownership of physical gold. And guys, that is big. And we know Bitcoin is definitely not the new gold. Maybe gold for the robots, algorithms, and drones, but not for us. But that digital ownership of the physical gold is very important. We need to watch that. Now we have Card Coins offers Bitcoin payments over the Lightning Network. And of course, this is where you can sell gift cards. But definitely, guys, we know everything that's wrong with core Bitcoin. Everything actually that's wrong with stable coins, we know Bitcoin Lightning fixes that. We know Bitcoin Lightning is working behind the curtain, and you know I've been over it several times. Now we have crypto lender Linden raises $70 million and announces Bitcoin-backed mortgage product. And guys, you know when I first started, I've done several videos on tokenized mortgages. It is definitely coming. It's going to be rare that one person owns a home or any commercial property. Remember the World Economic Forum? You will own nothing, but you will be happy. We know the New World Order takes you through the actual steps. The Fed has not been buying mortgage-backed securities for no reason. I'm going to go over that in the video that I do later on this afternoon. Now we have FTX strikes sponsorship deal with NBA's Golden State Warriors. And again, guys, we see more adoption. If they see it, they'll believe it. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. Where everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks is C-Red, the biotech stocks, and where everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York. From COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.